The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom's overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest day. The summer's calling.
All right. So here we're going to do a video review for the HeimVision
video doorbell.
Okay, now as you can see, I'm doing this review on the actual doorbell itself.
I want you to see
how good the quality is, what it's like. Now I've set a couple different types of doorbells. I've used Ring,
I've used
I've used Nest.
Don't like them.
So with either one of those,
you're having
to get a
subscription.
You have to pay more money
if you want
to be able to record your videos. All right. I think that's crap. The whole point of a video doorbell is you can see who's been in your house.
If something
is taken from my front porch,
I
can watch the video later on.
Or if
I'm at work, something happens, I can see.
That
doesn't work with these other ones.
With the Heim
Life,
I can just put an
SD card in here as big
as I want.
All
right.
It'll record everything. It'll keep it in there.
Also the
sound quality.
I noticed that
whenever I talk to people through the Ring or the Nest,
they're having to put
their ear right up to it
in order to hear. This one
is loud and clear. All right. Video quality is fantastic, especially at night. I don't want to say objectively that it's better than the other one,
but it's pretty
dang good. I would venture to say
it might be
better,
or at least as good. The other thing
is with my Ring, who I had most recently,
I would get
notifications that people were at the door.
When I got
I left the house,
I'd be a
half mile down the road, and
someone's there. That's crazy.
Like a huge delay. So most time when I was at work, if I got a notification, I look,
and no one's
there. with this here, immediate. I walk out the door. I don't make it off the front porch before I get a notification. Hey, someone's here. As you can see, I'm on a busy street here. Okay. I don't get notifications when cars go by. Alright, you can adjust the sensitivity on this to high or low. Just setting it to low. If someone starts walking about where that white car is, and they start walking closer from that, I'll get a notification. If you want to set it to high, you can. The high will pick up the cars. And that's about 40 feet away from the house. Overall, I highly recommend it. You can hook it up to your mechanical chime. You can hook it up to the wireless little module. That's what I use in the house. It's great. It really is. So get Heim Life. Get away from these big companies that are giving you crap. All right. That's it for me. Have a wonderful day.